a great. I was made to be a winner.
Crazy times, guys, crazy times. It's Brian, and honestly, this is going to be a different type of podcast. I am honestly talking to you guys heart to heart. I'm talking to your soul, guys. I really need you guys to listen to this message. It's a very heartfelt, real, genuine message that I've been really feeling over the last couple of weeks, weighing heavy on my mind, and I just can't shake it, and I just want you guys to listen to it. I need you guys to hear this, and I know a lot of you guys need to hear this. Now more than ever, right now in the times we're in, there's so many people out there right now struggling, losing their businesses, losing everything, their savings. They don't know where their next paycheck's coming from. You don't know how you're going to pay your bills. You're stressed out. You're depressed. You're going through one of the hardest times of your life. And here's the thing, guys. I get it. I'm sitting here, sitting next to you because I've lived it. I've been through it. I know exactly what you're feeling like, you don't know when it's going to change. You don't know if you can go on. You just feel like, there's no one you can turn to. But I'm telling you guys, the last thing that really matters at the core of it is money, superficial things, monetary things. They come and go. You can make money just as fast as you can lose money. And I've been there. I've lost it all. But you know what I had that got me through, that kept me going, is my family, my amazing wife, my kids, my family, my parents, my close friends, people that cared for me, people that loved me regardless or not if I have a big ass bank account or if I literally have everything withdrawn and everything not paid for, which I had. And I had those feelings. I had those rough feelings where you just didn't know how you can move on and go on. And I've been there, but I'm telling you guys, I fought through that. And 10, 11 years later, I'm at a much better place now. And here's the thing, guys, is, when I fought through that and I went through this, this last recession we had and I lost everything, the times were way different. Social media was way different. Opportunities were way different. Now, what I did in, 10, 11 years, you can do in 3 to 5, 6 years. So you may be losing everything right now. You may feel like your world's crumbling down, but you need to change your mindset. You need to listen to this message, listen to my voice coming from someone who's been there. Exactly what you're feeling, exactly what you're going through right now. I have felt it. I have gone through it. And look at where I've came out of the tunnel. I came out of the other side and look at what I'm doing. But you have two options. It's all in your hands. You can really let this darkness and negativity get to you and define you, or you can choose to be positive. You can choose to work hard. Here's the thing. You may not have a job. You may be locked in your house. You may not be able to work, but you know what? They can't fucking stop you from hustling or working hard. Find a way to make money. I don't give a fuck what the heck you have to do. Find a way to make money. That is your choice. If you choose to sit on the couch and watch Netflix and be sad and be down, that's your choice. So you're sitting at home, you don't have a paycheck, you can't go to work, but you're choosing 15 hours a day to watch Netflix or be down on yourself. Do you think that decision is going to cause you to push through this and power through this and get to a better place on the other end? Or is you researching online, reading books, looking at business opportunities, looking on starting something online, finding a way to make money, whether you got to flip shit, whatever you got to do, is spending your 10, 15, 20 hours a day doing that? You think that would have a better outcome? But here's the thing, that's your choice. That's your mindset. You decide what you're going to do with your days, regardless if you're at work or not. So I'm just here really talking to you guys, really just as real as I always am, but honestly, because this is wearing, this whole situation, my business is way down. But I've fortunately set myself up in a position where I can weather a big storm, and I wasn't there, 2-3 years ago. And I'm just thinking of these your guys' lives that are being affected and changed, and you guys have no control in it. And it's just fucking crazy to me. You guys know my whole thoughts on this whole situation, so I'm not going to get into that right now. But just know that I feel for you. It's weighing heavy on me because I've been there. I've been through it. I've felt those feelings. I've had those negative thoughts. I've felt it through my bones. And that's one of the biggest fears I have on my shoulder, pushing me to work as hard as I do every day, no matter how successful I get, because I'm fearful and I never want to feel those feelings again. So I get it. I've felt it. I know what you're going through, but I made a choice and I kept going and I turned my life around. And here's the thing, you have that choice too. And all those people I talked about that were there for me, that don't care if I have money, don't care if I can pay my bills, they just love me for being me. Hopefully you guys have at least one person like that in your life. And if you guys have no one like that in your life, I'm willing to be that person, honestly. You DM me, you fucking reach out to me, I'll fucking talk to you. Because if you don't have one person in your life that genuinely cares for you, regardless what you have going for you, whether your business is up, breaking records, or your business is right now not open, tanked, and not bringing any money, if you guys don't have one person like that in your life, I really feel for you. And I'm willing to reach out my hand here and be that person for you, honestly. No bullshit. You DM me, because everyone deserves to have at least one person like that in their life. So, guys, like I said, it's honestly, this is no bullshit. This is real and raw. It's something I literally think about every single day because I've been there. I made it through, and I know a lot of people are going through dark times, and a lot of people are doing bad things themselves, and it just really, really, really rocks me at my core. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to spit this quick message out, something that's really been on my mind, and I've been wanting to get it out, so I want you guys to listen to this and really, really listen to it and feel it, because it doesn't get more real and raw and genuine than this. I really love you guys. I appreciate every single person that follows me, that genuinely listens to my content. Seriously, I'm here for you guys. No bullshit. Reach out to me. And here's the thing, guys. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Honestly, 2-3 weeks, this is going to be over. 2-3 weeks, you can go back outside. You can do normal things again. Just think about that. That's really not that long. Just hang in there for 2-3 more weeks. Have that positive mindset. Start hustling. Start figuring out what your next move is. And we're all going to get through this together.
I've been on my grind, now I'm on one. Ay, I'm a winner, I was gone.